mama that birthed the papa. And we could have him here to praise today and practice lots of the prayer. This month is a very important month. I'm saying Mother's Month. But we know every day a Mother's Day. Yeah. We can't catch it and carry it and wrap it and sack it to mother. Hey, yeah! You know, over the years, most religion put woman aback. But I put her beside me. And if she's behind me, someone will take her and we don't see.
And when you need a friend, she
She was there for you, and now she needs a friend. You choose to walk away. Why treat her this way? She's a mother, she's a sister, she's a lover, she's a comforter to you and the family, and she's an empress. Treat her like an empress. Yes, she's a queen. You better treat her like a queen. No kick and backs down. You know why? For she is royal. She's like a field marshal, and she don't partial. She's always working and earning, and keeping the fire burning, the fire burning. And when the road is rocky and rough, and full of curves and turns, and ups and downs, why she never look back. She's always anxious. I keep her. She's an empress. Treat her like an empress. Yes, she's a like an one perfect love, man. Give thanks, Rastafari.
And then them a dance.